Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today what I'm gonna be showing you guys is I'm gonna be showing you how to do this natural glam, right? Natural glam eyeshadow, and what that means is that it looks a little bit natural. It's just like 3 colors and super simple and super easy to do. If you want to learn how to do the natural glam, just keep watching. So we're gonna prime our eyelids first. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I'm gonna just do a whole base. I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush and I'm gonna just like blend it a little bit. So now that we have like this base down, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this Morphe palette, and this is the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette. I'm gonna go into this color right here, lay that onto our lid, and we're gonna also put that into our inner corner. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go and get our blending brush, and we're gonna go ahead and put, so those two, we're gonna put burnt spice in our crease above where we put sizzle, so right about here, and drag that back and forth. And now I'm gonna go into Click, which is like an orangey color, and we're gonna go above it. So now we have these 3 colors, and then I'm gonna go back into the white color, and I'm gonna pack this into my brow bone up here. So now that our colors are set, I'm gonna go back into that dark brown color, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that into my crease a bit. And I'm gonna go into back and forth motions, and then we're gonna go into the yellowish one, and I'm gonna go above it. Okay, so now that you have all 3 colors kind of blended, we're gonna go into Sizzle, and we're gonna just go over our lid one more time. Perfect. So that was super easy and super simple. So now I'm just gonna brush away my bake. Now that what the fuck, we're gonna go into our under eye with a bit of the dark shade, put that on an angle brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that and drag it into my lash line. I like to go like about halfway. So now I'm gonna go into my inner corner, put some on my finger, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner. Gorgeous. Alright guys, so that's how you do the natural glam tutorial. Super easy. It's like 3 colors. Super simple. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys thought it was easy. Let me know if you guys want something more in depth, or if you guys want something a little bit more crazy. I've been wanting to experiment a little bit, especially since we're stuck in the house. But this is basically what I go to every day. I just do these same colors all the time. Super easy, but it's still something cute and something to look at. I didn't put any false lashes today. I just went ahead and put some mascara on. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and yeah.